My name is Camille Story. I passed the NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar. It was, oh my God, it was awesome. I am a repeater. I've repeated this test several times, and I was using UWorld, NCLEX Mastery, MOS, Simple Nursing, and I found with the V2 Next Gen with ReMar, I found that it was more content for me, and I was able to understand it. I watched the videos, I downloaded the workbook, I also went through the quick facts, and what I mean by that, download her study guide. Also, download the workbook and also take notes. I found when you do all of these things and you study hard, you will get good results. And I also went through her quick facts, the new gen. It was really good. I mean, I like the pharmacology part of it. I also like the way she had the little rationales in the book. And it was just really some good content. I even watched her YouTube videos and did some overview with that. And you put the time in it, you will get very good results. Her Next Gen, I'm telling you, it had a lot of content. And I just want to just give you some word of encouragement that you can do it. You know, and I listened to her and I did the work, and I really believe that I can do it. When I went there to take my exam, I walked in with confidence. I walked in with enough content, and I said, I can, I will, I must pass this NCLEX exam. And I walked out of there with my RN license, and you will too. Whether you are RN or LPN, you will walk out of there with your license, because I know that you can, you will, you must pass the RN or LPN NCLEX exam. Thank you, ReMar. I want to thank you, ReMar, and your team. You are all awesome. Thank you.